Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to ABC Hosting, your go-to channel for all things tech, hosting, and beyond. If you're here, you're probably curious about how to access OnlyFans for free without using a payment card. Well, you're in the right place because today I'll break it all down for you in a simple and informative way. But wait, before we dive in, if you want even more detailed information, don't forget to check out the article linked in the description below. Trust me, it's packed with extra tips and insights you don't want to miss. Alright, let's get started. First off, let's clear up a common misconception. OnlyFans is primarily a subscription-based platform where creators charge for their content. However, there are ways to explore free content or access profiles without needing a payment card. Let me explain how. First, search for free profiles. Many creators on OnlyFans offer free subscriptions as a way to grow their audience. To find these profiles, visit the OnlyFans website or app. Use search engines or social media platforms like Twitter or Reddit to find creators promoting free subscriptions. Look for promotions or giveaways, as many creators run limited time offers. Second, use virtual payment cards if you're hesitant to use your actual payment card. Virtual cards are a great alternative. Services like Payoneer or Revolut let you create temporary cards that are safe and secure. These cards work perfectly with OnlyFans. Third, look for creator collaborations. Some creators collaborate with others and offer free content bundles or exclusive access. Keep an eye on social media announcements or community forums where these deals are often shared. Lastly, use referral programs. OnlyFans has referral programs where creators may offer free access in exchange for promoting their content. This is a win-win situation for both parties. Now, before you try any of these methods, here's a quick reminder. Always respect the creators and their hard work. Avoid shady websites or unauthorized platforms claiming to provide free access to paid content. These can be scams or even illegal. And there you have it. Those are some ways you can explore OnlyFans without using a payment card. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful too. And don't forget, for more in-depth tips and tricks, check out the article linked in the description below. It's a must-read if you want to stay ahead of the game. Lastly, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our informative videos. Thanks for watching ABC Hosting, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.